I'm hungry. What about you? Did you eat? Ate? Yeah. Did you eat yet? Hey there guys, welcome to Bling Bling English, aka Papagi Sam. A very common mistake that my students make is when they are making did you questions. For example, did you eat? You actually want the base form here, which is eat, not the simple past tense form. So, did you eat? And watch out, because when you're answering, this is a tricky part. Did you eat? Yes, I did. I ate. Or I didn't eat, not I didn't eat. So one more time. Did you eat? Yes, I ate. Or no, I didn't eat. Let's try these 10 examples, shall we? Did you study today? Yes, I did. I studied today. Or no, I didn't. I didn't study today. Number 9. Did you go to school today? Yes, I did. I went to school today. Or no, I didn't. I didn't go to school today. All right, number 8. Did you take the subway today? Take, past tense. Yes, I did. I took the subway today. Or no, I didn't. I didn't take the subway today. Number 7. Did you meet your teacher? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I met my teacher today. Or no, I didn't meet my teacher today. Number 6. Ooh. Pewy. Did you shower today? Yes, I did. I showered today. Or no, I didn't shower today. Number 5. Did you call me? Yes, I did. I called you. Or no, I didn't. I didn't call you. Number 4. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. I slept well. Or no, I didn't. I didn't sleep well. Number 3. Did you text me? Yes, I did. I texted you. Or no, I didn't. I didn't text you. And number 2, did you watch TV this morning? Yes, I did. I watched TV this morning. Or no, I didn't. I didn't watch TV this morning. And finally, number 1, did you hang out with your friends? Yes, I did. I hung out with my friends. Or no, I didn't. I didn't hang out with my friends. 숙제 있어요. I'm giving you guys homework. How about if you guys ask me a did you question down below in the comments, and I will reply. See you in the comment section.